I don't really understand Tifu. Okay, I'm not talking to me. Sorry about the
Let's
background
fucking go,
noise.
baby. We actually have like maps. Let's get it going.
Dude, this has to be in another thing. So, oh, have an idea. There we go. Now nobody will know anything about me. So, yeah. But I do everything's, normal. Like usual. This was trending. I really hope I can still get this on YouTube. Have to play live. Ooh. Ooh.
There's no
Love
such thing
it.
as a perfect writer.
Don't
This
love
is why
it.
I use Grammarly to check my level.
If I'm putting commas in the wrong places, that can shift my credibility and up it.
I'm a muffin. Wait for it. And it's muffin time. Who wants a muffin? Please, I just wanna die. Hey, somebody kill me. Please, it's muffin time. I'll just guess the future. Have you had a muffin today? I wanna die. Please, I wanna die. It's muffin time, 'cause I wanna die. I forgot about this. Die. I'm not trying to get copyrighted. Oh, such a beautiful day. I'm running in a beautiful way. Stephen, like his ultimately meaningless. Can I get a hand? I had to clap. It's a waste. Are they? It's only a crocodile and a non-human.
Can't think of a better way to spend my time. Your brain is flawed and all your friends will die. I'm alive in the greatest nation, so proud of the exploitation of the natives. This graceful bird means freedom for all. After the slaves, some bold eagles on bold. I can live in the moment, milk every second. At any time you can get clinical depression. But I'll just be happy no matter what's in store.
Why not I do something that's normal? Any YouTubers do. Then not watch this guy in jail in Alcatraz. Oh! 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 That actually hurts. Trust me. Yeet. I've been in one of these. That's not how you go in them. Every baby cries from that. I just fell down. When I fail on a oh my, this is one of the trampolines that I had. Holy Jesus. Oh, that's so adorable. These aren't funny.
Oh shit.
Oh, that's what happens to me in class all the time. This. Right here, this happens to me all the time in class. That's my friend Oscar, the one in the blue shirt, and then that's me.
Oh shit.
Yeah, boy. That happened to me not too long ago. Ooh, ouchie! Wow, that's happened to me. You know, at school, today, I went to the little playground for little kids, and I saw these other year fours, right, doing they were on the long bar, very high up, close to my roof, higher. And what they did was, they were, basically one of them did this twice. That he landed on his butt. And me, I would literally run around doing this. So yeah. Yeah, nothing's gonna happen here.
Whoa!
Oh, dad with glasses. I like people who wear glasses. I posted the perfect moment. He's looking at the slide. Like, what the hell? Darn. Oh. Not sponsored. Wait, what happened? I don't know. This guy's a gangster, he's smoking and on a cool motorbike.
Oh my god. Better.
That was very close. I'd have an indoor tramp. Yay! I wouldn't care if that happened to me. I wouldn't care if that happened to me. They would be like, yeah, I'm just gonna. Ugh, I fell into the water. Why are most of these videos recorded on a phone? Oh, these are fails. Yeah, nice sleeping space.
No, make it all the way.
Oh no. I know what's gonna happen. Okay, that's what. No, that isn't what I thought. I thought the wood thing was gonna fall. I've seen this.
Whoa!
Lesbian. Yeah, I can free tune.
The ball's back up. And
Oh, balls. I love guys.
the swinging about when they aren't paying attention.
Watch out, watch out, watch out!
Whoa!
Okay. Bikes and stuff, on the topic of that. Basically, one day I was at the skate park, and I went from the bowl. I wasn't in the bowl, but I went from the bowl and went up the thing where you drop down from, not from the bowl. But first time I did that ever, I went way too fast. And once I did it, my whole body area hit the pipe that's at the end, so you don't fall off. And I was like this, oh god! And I was like, I did it. Her sister just fell down there. So yeah. Oh, parkour wizard. Wait, let me hear this. Not right. My brother.
No. Oh, jeez.
That has happened to me plenty of times. Oh god, okay. I have never experienced this. I have done tobogganing, snowboarding, and skiing. Kneeboarding. Those legs.
What's your trick?
This is such bad. I can already imagine.
What is this?
I try not to laugh.
Okay, can I watch?
No. Cause I said no.
You can't watch anyway.
Fine.